Welcome to our Excel process automation demo using Power Automate. Managing pricing data through manual Excel processes can be exhausting. Teams spend hours duplicating files, copying data between sheets, and recalculating formulas. One small mistake can ripple through the entire process. When you're managing multiple customers, the work becomes highly repetitive and time-consuming. Manual processes also create inconsistencies and calculation errors across customer data. At Kanerika, we've designed a solution that transforms these manual processes into automated workflows. Our approach uses Microsoft Power Automate to replace Excel-driven tasks with streamlined, error-free operations. Teams can now save hours of manual work while improving accuracy and consistency across all customer data. Let's walk you through a demo for a better understanding of how this automation works in practice. The Power Automate workflow starts with a simple input form. Users specify key details like customer information, time periods, and notification preferences. Once triggered, the bot takes over the rest. It filters customer data from agreement sheets, creates new price list files, and duplicates the required format automatically. The system then handles all the complex calculations. It copies current selling prices to previous price columns, processes stock code references, and applies business rules to calculate price changes. Finally, the bot generates updated customer price lists in a standardized format, saving them and organizing in proper SharePoint folders. The automation handles both single customer updates and bulk processing for multiple customers. Users receive automated email notifications with execution summaries, so they know exactly what was processed. This approach eliminates manual errors and ensures consistent formatting across all price lists. Teams can process customer data in minutes instead of hours. Let's have a quick recap of what we discussed in the demo. First, we discussed how manual Excel processes are time-consuming and repetitive. Then, we showed how Power Automate transforms manual Excel workflows into automated operations. Next, we demonstrated how a simple input form can trigger complex automation for multiple customers. Finally, we highlighted the key benefits of faster processing, better accuracy, and consistent formatting. If you want to save time and resources by automating your Excel workflows, contact the experts at www.kanerika.com/meet.